Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we'll learn how to elevate your videos by color grading and adding filters using HitPaw-Edimakor. First, we need to import the video we want to color grade. Open Edimakor and click on the Import button. Select your video file and drag it onto the timeline. Now you're ready to start the color grading process. Navigate to the Color tab on the right panel. This will open various options to enhance your video. Here you will see settings for brightness, contrast, saturation, temperature, and more. These are the basic tools for color correction and grading. Start with basic color correction. Adjust the brightness to brighten or darken your video. Increase the contrast to add depth and tweak the saturation to make the colors pop. Now let's move on to advanced color grading. Use the temperature and tone sliders to adjust the overall warmth or coolness of your video. Keep adjusting these settings until your video achieves a balanced and vibrant look. If you're new to video editing, professional color grading can be difficult. So, Edimakor also offers a range of filters to color grade and enhance your video. Click on the Filters tab to browse through the available options. Select the filter that complements your video's style. You can adjust the strength of the filter to achieve the desired effect. Preview your video to see how it looks. Remember, color grading is an art. Take your time and practice more with different settings. Once you're satisfied with your color grading, click on the Export button and save the video to your computer. Thanks for watching. Color grade your video and ready to share now.